People really don't even know if Denmark has any legal right to it. But if they do, they should give it up because we need it for national security. That's for the free world. If Denmark wants to get to a conclusion, but nobody knows if they even have any right, title, or interest. The people are going to probably vote for independence or to come into the United States. But if they did do that, then I would tariff Denmark at a very high level.
I just want to say that it's a very special place. It needs security for itself, but it also needs security very much for the world. The location really, you see the people and the ships sailing around, and they're not the right ships, and they're not the ships you want to know about. So we need security, and our country needs it, and the whole world needs it.
For nærværende har vi et rigsfællesskab i Danmark, anerkender fuldt ud, at der er grønlandske ambitioner. Hvis de bliver materialiseret, så bliver Grønland selvstændigt, næppe med en ambition så om at blive en delstat i USA. Men for nærværende er der ikke sådan en materialiseret vision.